The original selling price of a computer was $2,800. A shop sold it at a discount of 20% during a sale. If the shop charged a 7% GST on the discounted price, how much was the GST? How much was the computer inclusive of GST? Now, the original price will always be 100%. Okay? And after discount of 20%, there will be 100 minus 20%, 80%. Okay, so first we find the discounted price. So 100% is the original $2,800, and we can proceed to find 1%. 2,800 divided by 100, that will be $28, and then we can proceed to find 80%, which is the discounted price. 28 times 80, 2240. 2240. Alright, so there is a 7% GST on the discounted price, which means what is 7% of the discounted price? That will be your GST. Okay, and the word off means multiplication. So how do we do this step? 7 over 100 off. Off means times 2240. 7 over 100 times 2240. Wow, the GST alone will cost the person $156.80. Okay, so that is for part A's answer. Part B, how much was the computer inclusive of GST? So that will be the discounted price plus the extra GST. 2240 plus 156.80, which will give us an answer of 2396.80.